Alright, it's a beautiful winter's day, sunny still, which is fantastic for first flight and tuning. So I've got the copter here, put the props on, I've got the motor direction going right now. I found that it only takes 4S, which is a little bit of a disappointment, but I do have some big chunky 4S batteries I can use. A little bit too chunky for the battery straps that come with the copter, so I dug out these old 3D Robotics ones from my X4, and they seem to do the business, seem to fit okay. I've sorted out an ELRS, and I've put the props on in the right order. I don't seem to need to tighten them much because they are essentially self-tightening, so as they spin they will tighten, and what I'm going to do is power it up and see what happens.